everybody, this video will talk about word problem on direct variation. Word problems on direct variation. So this problem states, on a given planet, the weight of an object varies directly with the mass of an object. Suppose that the object whose mass is 4 kilograms weighs 24 newtons. Calculate the mass of another object that weighs 18 newtons. So let's take this one sentence at a time. On a given planet, the weight of an object varies directly with the mass. So we're told that the weight varies directly with the mass. Remember, directly is y equals k times x. But y is the weight. So we're going to call it w. The weight of the object varies directly, so it's going to be k times the mass. Now, let's take it with the second equation. Suppose that an object whose mass, so we have a mass of 4 kilograms and a weight of 24 newtons. So that means 24 equals some constant k times our mass of 4. Then we can divide by 4 to find out what k is. So 6 equals k. Okay, that's going to be important, so let's box that. However, that's not the end of it, because I have my equation w equals 6 times the mass. My third sentence says what I actually want to do is calculate the mass of another object that weighs 18 newtons. So I have a weight of 18 newtons. 18 newtons equals 6 times what mass? Well, if I divide by 6, I will get 3 equals m. And what unit was m in? M was in kilograms. So 3 kilograms is the weight of, is the mass of my object. So let's work on another word problem on direct variation and take this one sentence at a time. So we're told for the moving object, the force, okay, so let's take the force, let's call force F. Squeeze it in there. The force is F. Acting on the object varies directly, okay, so varies directly is y equals kx with the object's acceleration. So let's call acceleration A. So I'm told that force is going to equal some constant k times A, because that's the direct variation equation. So when a force of 54 newtons, so this is F, this is a force, acts on a certain object, let's see if it'll zoom out for me. The acceleration of the object is 9. So this is acceleration. So let's do that portion and find k. So I have a force of 54 equals k times 9. Now let's divide by 9 to find out what our k, or our constant of variation, is. K here is also going to equal 6. So let's box that because I know that's important. What is my direct variation equation? Is F equals k, which is 6, times A. Now the third sentence says, if the acceleration of the object is 10 meters per second squared, so that's A, what is the force? So the force equals 6 times my acceleration, which is 10. So my force equals 60. And what unit was my force in? My force was in N, or newtons. So there's my answer.